Hello, hello, and welcome. Here we are watching me sharpen my knife real quickly before we start our class. Here's an idea of what we're going to learn today. Now, let's listen to me wash my hands to happy birthday, singing happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. 10 many more.
That's about 20 seconds right there, washing your hands, singing happy birthday. Here's some knife skills. Now, when you do the knife, make sure the knife is clean too before you start, and put your knife at an angle and drag down and forward. But you want to kind of keep it as away from you as possible. So you do it at an angle, going back and forth, in an angle, like about a 45-degree angle. It's dragging the edge of the knife back and forth. Hopefully, I'll do it right. Do not stab yourself. Be very mindful while doing this. Think of the people around you. And when you're cleaning the knife, make sure you get all the little bits of shaving taken off and keep it clean. And always have soap and water, maybe a soap and bucket water on hand to wash your knife. Okay, so we didn't talk about how we have to wash our vegetables before we use our vegetables. We'll know more about why later, but right now all you need to know is it because of biological contaminants, physical contaminants, and chemical contaminants that can be on our food. What does that mean? Well, let's go into it. What biological contaminants can be on your food could it be bugs? And chemicals could be on your food, which can be chemical contaminants like pesticides. Physical contaminants could be my own hands transferring germs before I washed my hands before I worked on all the food. Maybe I didn't wash my hands. Maybe the person before me didn't wash my hands. Maybe we're trading the food. Always wash your hands. Washing your hands is number one, always. Now, here's some knife skills for you. Always bend your fingers when you're cutting the knife. You do not want to cut your hand off. So your hand is your shield. And hopefully you'll learn a little skill here. Just watch me. Now, when you move food in, a lot of restaurants are going to use their knives to drag a big bunch of food. Use the back of the knife. Now, to finish off the tomato salad, add parsley, olive oil, and some garlic. I have some fresh chopped garlic that I've jarred, or I've gotten from a jar. You can get it anywhere. You can even use your own garlic, and maybe if you want, I could teach you how to make your own jarred garlic, or what we could say is preserved garlic. I added a lot of salt, as you can see. I use kosher salt, and you just mix. Add a little bit of parsley, oregano, and mix again. And your salad is done. We're on the first step to creating your meal for your dinner party. Salad's always a good step. Tomato salad is simple, easy, and in this economy, it's the cheapest thing you can come up with that makes still sound a little fancy. Now remember, wipe the edge because presentation is everything in the restaurant. You don't want to look messy. Here we go, tomato salad. Always wash your board afterwards with soap and water. We have a soap dispenser in our kitchen. We use it to wash all our tools. Go back through your tools, wash everything, even wash the sink. Thank you. Oh, and the recipe is in the description.